So I've just started making videos, and I just wanted to say thanks for all of the nice things that people have said. I'm glad that people like them, and as long as you keep telling me how much you're enjoying them, I'll keep making them, because I know there are a lot of great videos out there that really turn me on, and I'm more than happy to reciprocate, and just glad to do my part, because it's really that was a wet one. It's really awesome that we can all do this for each other. So, in short, I'm a total attention whore. So, ladies, if you're enjoying it, thanks for letting me know. Keep letting me know, and I'll keep doing it. Thanks.